divided into 3 parts. First, I will be introducing the evaluators for the prepared speeches. And second is to call upon timer, accounter, and grammarian for their respective reports. And finally, I shall give my general evaluation of the overall meeting, including for Toastmaster Raka listening project. So before I call on the first evaluator, may I request timer Toastmaster Narmeen to give us the timing guidelines for the evaluation?
For the evaluation, 2 minutes
Green.
will be green.
Yeah.
2 and 50 seconds will be yellow. 3 will be red.
2 and 30 seconds.
Sorry,
Oh.
Sorry, Anita?
2 and 30 seconds.
2 and 30 seconds, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Narmeen. Now, I would like to call out our first evaluator, Toastmaster Sweta, who will be evaluating Toastmaster Jisha's speech on research and presentation, L1, P3. So over to you, Toastmaster Sweta.
Good evening, Toastmasters. Good evening, my target speaker, Jisha. Mind bending. What a topic to do research on. You know, in this 9 months, everybody's been facing the problem of controlling their thoughts and minds. You know, everybody's mind has been peripatetic in this 9 months, and in the nights, it's 10x more faster. So you started with a you started with a quote, and then you told us why did you want to research on this topic. A movie made you realize about the inbuilt power of your mind, and then you wanted to control your thoughts and your mind in a proper way. So you you researched about the 6 thinking hats. It was very well. The transition was very clear. The introduction to 6 thinking hats, it was done by Edward de Bono, and the introduction of Edward de Bono, you put in the introduction of Edward de Bono, which was good. And then you took a situation about the hybrid clubs, because the future of Toastmasters would be hybrid. So it was a very nice connection there. The objective was basic research and well-organized and well-researched speech. But what I felt was it could be organized well, and you could comprehend a better story with a personal anecdote, so that we would connect better. You know, with the title, I thought it would be useful to bend my mind and get myself out of lethargy, but it was more of a report. Coming to the delivery, your pauses were on point, but you maintained a constant pitch. You could go high and you could come low, but you maintained a constant pitch, and there was very less vocal variety. I would recommend you to deliver your speech with more passion and enthusiasm and a little more added confidence, because you being an English teacher, this would be a cakewalk for you. So your strong points are pauses and content. You would concentrate on comprehending a better story and deliver it with more vocal variety. That's all, Jisha. Over to the general evaluator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sweta. Please give a round of applause for Toastmaster Sweta. Next, I would like to